Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to explore the latest product from the house of Pabbly that is called Pabbly Connect Web Clipper. And it is a Chrome extension. It is a tool using which you can select any text on your Google Chrome browser and send that text to a Pabbly Connect webhook URL. And using the Pabbly Connect automation workflow and the webhook URL, you can automatically add that text into Google Sheet or send it to any platform of your choice. It can be Slack, WhatsApp, or anywhere. Let's see how you can get this Chrome extension. So first of all, we have to go to the Chrome Web Store, and after coming here, we have to search for Pabbly Connect Web Clipper. Just search for this extension, and after searching for this extension, we have to add this extension, Chrome extension, in our Chrome browser. Click on this Add to Chrome button. And after adding this extension to your Chrome browser, here you can see we just have to click on it and click on Manage Webhooks. As we click on Manage Webhooks, this new page will open in front of us. And here at this section, we are going to add the webhook URL. But first, let's get a webhook URL from our Pabbly Connect workflow. So here you can see I have created an automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect. And here from the trigger step, I'm going to select webhook over here. After selecting this webhook, here in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as catch webhook. After selecting this trigger event, here you can see Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. We just have to copy this webhook URL from here, go to this Chrome extension page, and we have to paste this webhook URL over here. So let me just enter a name of this webhook URL. For example, I'll name it as Google Sheets. Then after that, just enter the webhook URL over here. Just paste the exact same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. After giving the name and pasting the webhook URL, just click on this Add a Webhook button. And then this webhook URL named as Google Sheets is added. After adding this webhook URL, here you can see whenever we are going to select any text on our browser and right click on it, it will give us an option of Send to Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And all the webhook URLs which you have added, you can see in this drop down, you will get a list of all of those webhook URL. So let's try it. Here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, it is showing us waiting for webhook response. Means Pabbly Connect webhook is waiting to get some response, some text from this web clipper. So this is the official Facebook group of Pabbly Connect where we have a community of more than 19,000 people. From this Facebook group, let's say I like some post and I want to get the text from that post and add it into Google Sheet. Let's say this is the actual post over here. This post is related to the same web clipper, same Chrome extension which we are discussing right now. So here what we have to do, we just have to select this text over here, whichever text we want to send to Pabbly Connect or to webhook URL. Then after that, just right click on it, and here you can see this option of Pabbly Connect Webhook, send to Pabbly Connect Webhook. Just hover on it and select the webhook URL to which you want to send it. Like right now, I have only one webhook URL named as Google Sheets. So I'm just selecting it, and as I select it, you can see the same text with the link of the page will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the URL, the link of the page from which we have sent the text. And here in text, you can see we have the actual text over here, that what is the text which we have sent it. So this was the complete text which we have selected over here on our page. And then here you can see the same text is received inside our Pabbly Connect workflow as well. Now, using this Pabbly Connect workflow, you can send this text, you can add this text anywhere. And after text, here you can see we have the date and time, that at what date and time this response was received in our workflow. So we were adding this text in our Google spreadsheet. So what we have to do in our Pabbly Connect workflow, after this webhook step, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in choose app, we will just search for Google Sheets. Just select it. So you can just basically select any application of your choice. I'm selecting Google Sheets as an example. Now let's select add new row because we want to add this data as a new row in Google Sheets. Click on connect, select add new connection, and click on this sign in with Google button. Select your Google Sheets account. After that, just scroll down and click on allow. And as we click on allow, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, here you can see that it is asking us to select the spreadsheet, that in which spreadsheet we want to add the data. So the name of the spreadsheet in which I want to add the data is Pabbly Connect Web Clipper. So what we are going to do, we will just select the same spreadsheet from the drop down, and then in this spreadsheet you can see only one sheet we have, that is called sheet 1. That's why here in the drop down of select sheet, we have only one option of sheet 1. And all the columns of data which we have created over here, you can see all of these columns as field. So from the previous step, from webhook responses which we have received from Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, one by one, we are going to map all the responses into the respective field. We have mapped the date and time, and let me tell you that we received this date and time according to UTC time zone. So if you want to change this date and time to your local time zone, you might have to use a feature of Pabbly Connect called date time formatter. Then after that, here in URL from the drop down, select the URL of the page from which we have received the text. And here in text, we are going to select the actual text response over here. And then just click on save and send test request. Now, as I click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received some response, and this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, basically all of these details are now added in our Google Sheet. So we will just go to a Google Sheet, and yes, here you can see in our Google spreadsheet, the data is added over here. We have the date and time. We have the link of the same post from which we have selected and sent the text. Here you can see the same post is open in front of us. And we have the same text which we have selected added over here. So in this way, using this Chrome extension, you can select any text from your browser, and after selecting that particular text, you can basically send that same text to any application of your choice using this web clipper. Now let's say we have this text over here. Let's say this is another text related to the same Chrome extension. I will just select the same text over here. I'll just right click on it, and then here you can see send to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and select the same webhook URL over here. And as I selected, you can see in our Google spreadsheet as a new row, that same text is added. Now this will work for any website, any web page which you open on your browser, on your Google Chrome browser. So let's say I have this text over here. So I'll just select this particular part of text over here. I don't have to select the complete text. Whatever text I want to add, I'll just select it, right click on it and send it to Google Sheets or send it to the webhook URL of my choice. And immediately you can see instantly that same text is added. And we have the exact same text. So in this way, this Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, the new tool from the house of Pabbly, actually works. So I hope this video helped you understand how the Pabbly Connect Web Clipper actually works and how you can use it in your day-to-day life while surfing the internet and saving the important text and notes into a Google Sheet or any other platform, sending it to any other platform of your choice. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.